the PBA. It'll be Hodge and Santos with the Beermen getting first possession.
Of the game siya dahil yung dalawang pagkapanalo nila is Cabagnot breaks the ice para sa Beermen chunk.
If you're the Beermen, Coach Jolly, and you've spent so many years with the third member of our broadcasting team, and Chris Newsom as Santos escaping for that shot. Saktong-sakto yung report nga ni Selena because he was the playmaker for the first 3 quarters kontra sa NLEX, but in the fourth siya na yung nag-take over mode to deliver the win and also to guard the best. He's just that kind of versatile player.
Yeah. We were showing yung 17 point numbers niya nung nakarang game. For me, that just goes right beside the name of Chris Newsom, diba? Those the nice point production. 3 games in a span of 6 to 7 days as we see parang ibinibis ni Arwind Santos yung mga tirang gano'n, 10 feet.
Remaining on the shot clock. Alex will take this if you leave him open. Pero inabot kay Santos for 3.
Nice play coming from Alex Cabagnot. Let me get you going, Spider-Man. Here's the rock holding to their shoulders na gano'n na parang nalaglag. Si Kevin Love dati nakalala ko gano'n na mangyari. Terrence Romeo, ganda naman. Yun na naman yung pull-up na automatic ni Arwind Santos, partner.
And that's 5 straight points by the Spider-Man.
If they get baskets or not, pero it's just a feel-good thing, and then they'll continue to rebound, to die for a loose balls. Arwind Santos, big 3-pointer para sa kanya, becoming very confident. Jump ball will go to the side of the Beermen.
Santos, bumomba sa ere. Ayan. So that finally stops the bleeding of the Beermen with less than 2 minutes remaining dito sa PBS. We enter this 4th quarter at lead sa inyo ng Cobra Plus Vitamin C. Lakas at proteksyon. Cobra, the #1 energy drink. It's next level speeds with Smart 5G. Cabagnot, hindi na binaba yung bola. Inangat na. Lassiter's got 9. Lots of time on the shot clock for San Miguel. Cabagnot, floater, pasok yan!
Not the cleanest of possessions, pero somehow getting the job done. I believe this is the biggest lead ng Beermen dito sa ating laro. This 8-point lead off.
Swing pass, extra pass. Attack inside. Cabagnot, you can't give him that much space because Cabagnot will make you pay.
Just making the...
Again, both teams looking for their 3rd straight. Cabagnot, that's good! For a big portion of the game, it was mostly San Miguel that takes win number 4 despite falling down by double digits in the 3rd. The Beermen, as they've done once again, Coach Jolly, escape with a victory.